Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are. And happy Thursday to you. I hope everybody's happy and healthy and having good and happy times in their lives. Well, it's Vlogmas Day 12. And for today's Vlogmas, I want to show you my fidget toys that I got out of the trash. I got this fidget spinner. I got this little pumpkin puppet. I got this little keychain puppet. Some of them are, as you can see, are broken, but it's still usable. I got this little butterfly puppet. I got this big puppet. It's got numbers on one side. And the last one I got, no, not the last one, not yet. And I got this guitar shaped puppet. And the last one I got, I really like this one. Let me get it to where I can pick it up. Well, I'm having trouble getting it where I can pick it up to show you. See, because it's a purse. It's a little purse. But it's also a poppet. And you can unzip it. See, I'll show you. You can unzip it, and it's a purse. Can't show it very well. I'm trying. See, it's a purse you can put stuff in. It's a little purse. But it's also a poppet. See? That's why it has the strap, because it's a purse. It's a purse with poppet. So that's what I wanted to show you on today's Vlogmas. And with that, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share on all your social medias. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the bell so you get notified when I make more videos like this one. I love and appreciate you all. Be kind and be careful out there. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your pets. Take care of each other. All my best and God bless. Till my next video. Bye.